It's well understood that you can't mix oil and water. What about strict products liability and comparative negligence? In a strict products liability action, a manufacturer or distributor may be liable in tort if its product is defective, the defect existed when the product left its hands, and the defect caused a reasonably foreseeable injury to an end user. But does a plaintiff's negligence reduce available damages under the doctrine of comparative negligence? The Supreme Court of California sought to answer this question in the 1978 case of Daly v. General Motors Corporation. Kirk Daly was driving on a highway at 50 to 70 miles per hour when he collided with a metal divider fence. Upon impact, the vehicle spun around, the driver's side door opened, and Daly was forcibly ejected from the vehicle. Daly suffered fatal injuries. Daly's widow initiated a strict products liability lawsuit against the General Motors Corporation and other defendants involved in the vehicle's manufacturing and distribution chain. Daly's widow alleged the door latch was improperly designed. She argued that General Motors and the other defendants placed the defective latches in the marketplace. The defective latch caused Daly's door to open upon impact. Had the door not opened, Daly would have survived. General Motors countered that Daly hadn't locked the door, nor was he wearing a seatbelt. Using either device would have prevented Daly from being ejected from the vehicle. General Motors offered evidence that the vehicle owner's manual warned that seatbelts should be worn and doors should be locked while the vehicle was in motion. General Motors also introduced evidence that Daly was intoxicated during the collision, which the court admitted into evidence. The jury ruled in favor of General Motors. Daly's widow appealed to the Supreme Court of California.